The PNP had one opportunity to retain relevance, to regain the confidence of the Jamaican people, and to put themselves back in the race. This was it.
Madam Speaker, the opposition takes no issue with what the ministers announced. We take no issue. We take no issue. We take no issue.
I will take the members' contribution as a statement of support.
This was the perfect opportunity to get up and walk out of the house, fingers crossed, because you'll be walking away from something that is potentially very attractive. But while you're taking a subliminal lashing from yourself, this was the perfect opportunity to demonstrate to the Jamaican people that integrity is still alive in your party. You've lost a perfect opportunity to make a very bold statement of some enviable character traits that it could be said that the People's National Party embody. Things like equity, things like honesty, things like integrity. You did not take the cue. And even if you're gonna say, okay, we are civilized, we are not boogie yaga, so we are not going to get up and walk out, you had the floor. You had the perfect opportunity to offer a rebuttal. And these were the words of choice. The opposition takes no issue. Clearly, you were either enamored, beguiled, or hypnotized by the very charismatic Nigel Clark, that you lost your equilibrium, you lost your center of gravity. And it is after much recalibration that you know one come here now come change the tune after not drop the rhythm from day one. Now, allegedly, these are some of the sentiments coming out of the PNP camp. Major salary increase standoff in the PNP. A growing number of PNP MPs accusing Comrade Golding of being wicked and inconsiderate because of his rejection of the salary increases that they so badly need. Councillors feel powerless to speak out because of fear that they will be replaced in the next local government election. The pressure is real because many of us are unable to pay our mortgage and car loans because we never expected to be in opposition for this long. Something about this devil sound right. I feel like I make somebody make it up, like them I try to stitch up the PNP. It is important that Comrade Peter Phillips steps in to calm the situation because Golding's position is threatening our livelihood. The increase is needed. We worked for it and we are not backing down, allegedly. Right now, it looks like there will be two PNP protests. One for the salary increase and the other by Master Mac and his rich friends who are so wickedly against it. Again, allegedly. This just sounds like propaganda to me because truthfully, I just feel like somebody have a writ against the PNP and decide to just write something and put it out there. But let's hear what you have to say about it. While we might be very unsure as to what's going on there, one of the things that we are sure about now is that Mr. Golding has pledged to donate 80% of his increase to some worthy cause until the kinks are ironed out and until discrepancies are resolved. What that implicitly suggests is that as soon as them get this thing sorted and situated, him, like everybody else in Parliament, is happy to grab him 200% increase and run with it. So along that same wavelength, worthy of note as well is that nobody in the PNP has resisted this offer and nobody has come forward with a counter offer that is more economically feasible for the country at this time. So that suggests to us that I'm all right with it. Consequently, it can be argued that the PNP's public diatribe or outrage at the moment sits right at the intersection of bluff and fluff. You had one job and you completely misunderstood the assignment, so guess and tell me what happened. The PNP did not the show. Only dead in the show. Right now, the subtotal of the opposition party in Jamaica is Damian Crawford.